Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We are at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video review that you're about to watch is a segment of a longer stream that we did. So it's not going to be as detailed as our normal long form content, but we hope you enjoy.
The Rockwood Geo Pro, okay? This model number is the G20 FBS, as you can see, okay? From the outside, give that back to Lisa. Okay. You've got a little storage area up front, which passes through all the way to the other side, okay? Single axle. There's a little bit of storage back here.
Alrighty.
And I know Lisa was looking up, and I didn't mention, but there's an awning that covers the entire side.
And again, there's the single axle you were talking about when I was looking at the
Frameless
awning.
windows in here as well.
Oh, very
Okay.
nice. Yeah.
So we can't get around. We're too tight to get around, so I can't put the weight on this one. I apologize. So let's go in. Now, this would be a great starter couples trailer. Okay, not too big, not too small. You can tow this with just about anything. The dry weight on this is 3,258 pounds. 3,258 pounds. You can tow this with just about anything, okay? Might as well talk about price since I'm got my finger here. Of course, this is model F20 FBS, so I actually think this is...
It is G20 FPS.
Okay, so G for Geo. So
Yes.
yeah. So this sells for $32,995. Okay? And there's all your pertinent information. So right when you come in, to the right is your bedroom. Okay? And from the, it doesn't have the measurements on the bed in here, but this isn't even a queen from a width standpoint. So I'm not sure exact measurements. It's not bad. I'll call on it. It's not horrible. Right? Again, 6'4", so you can see my feet are going to hang off.
I'm going to go with full size.
I'm going to go with a full as well. All right? So, you know, you get sort of, all right? So there's sort of a body position, okay? Got some countertop space left and right. As you can see, there's power here, USB charging ports, okay? There's cabinetry up above. Right? These would be hanging, stuff for hanging over here, okay?
As well as over on this side.
Yes. Let's look underneath.
Plenty of room for your CPAP machines.
Yep. Some nice storage underneath here.
A bit of under bed storage, yes.
As well as the drawers.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Now, over here, remember that, again, tiny, right? This is not a huge RV, okay? So here's your this actually can convert into a bed too. But behind us, you know, there's a table. So I know there doesn't look like there's dining room, but this is sort of your dining area as well. The table folds and goes right back here for storage, okay? But if you want to put it out, it will go right here. So you do have a table for dining, okay? Oh, hey, look at this. Okay, come here. Put the bottle opener in there. All right, so right across from here is your TV too, right there. So it's right across from where you sit, so it's very comfortable to sit and watch TV, okay? And there's your kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Now, you do have a little sink here. I want to mention there is power outlet right here on the side.
Excellent. And your control panel.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, underneath the sink, we have a little bit of storage. Okay. We also have a
3-burner stove.
3-burner stove.
Yeah.
Okay. This one does have an oven.
Nice.
Underneath that, we do have some more storage. Okay. As well as above.
Nice.
That is some good storage.
Nice. Your microwave is above the refrigerator.
It's yes.
Yeah, and it's a small Magic Chef. But again, you know, I don't think this is something that you're gonna take out and live in full time. I guess you could, right, and just shop weekly. This is probably more of a weekend special or maybe a once a week, 1 week vacation type of thing, right?
Yeah.
And in the back, as you can see, is the toilet. So let's give it the tall man toilet test.
It's time for
Tall Man's Toilet Test. As you can see, this door closes at an angle. My foot is right at the door. Again, excuse me, but the door is going to close. Okay, so it is comfortable. It's going to be tight this way, but there's obviously plenty of room this way. So tight, okay, but I fit. To my right is your vanity. Huge countertop space in here, which is great. There's a place for sponges or different things like that. You have some, well, there is no storage there, but there must be access to get the stuff, so that's why there's a door, okay? Above, you've got a little medicine chest up there, which again, that's pretty deep. So,
Yeah, that is at least for deep.
okay. From a height standpoint, I can see the tip of my nose down. Okay. There's also a cabinet back here. So maybe this is more for medicine, and you put your towels in there.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. For me, the big no-no in this one, the shower. So if you're tall like me, this is probably not going to work for you. Okay.
You have to step up.
I'm in the bubble. And as you can see from my position, I can't stand up straight. Okay. Again, 6'4". Use my height as reference. So I would say probably no more than 6 foot, and you're in the bubble. Okay. And it would be tight. So anything under 6 foot, you would be okay. All right. So there you go. That's a Geo Pro. I love the fact that it is small. It's towable by anything. You're not missing any of the creature comforts, right? Your TV, refrigerator, microwave, nice stove, living room, which is sort of a dining room as well. Yeah, in the bedroom. Yeah, nice.